Select top plane, corner rectangle, smart dimension 156, .5. Exit extruded boss base 24.5. Okay. Click on front face, sketch, corner rectangle, smart dimension 4 mm, eight mm. Exit extruded cut through all. Okay. Again select this face, sketch this point, click here. Select this point, then this move entities we're going to use. Select and click on this move entities. In Y direction 13 mm. So look, it moved. Again this point, click here. Again move entities, this time in X direction by mm, sorry 22 mm. Okay. Now select this line. Click this point and this point, corner and join. Okay. Exit extruded cut through all. Okay. Hide. Now this time click on this face, sketch and click here and here. Now click line, bring your cursor point to this mid line so that this midpoint appear, and from here move your cursor. Here click and draw horizontal line here. Select, right click, 92 mm. Click this point, and here at midpoint this point 28 mm. Okay, offset entities, select this one. Here write 6.5. Bidirectional cap ends arc. Okay, now exit extruded cut through all. Okay, and this one. Select chamfer, distance 1 mm. Here also 1 mm. Select this and this one. This edge, this edge, this edge and this edge. Okay, now this is our clamp which is used in VMC machine to hold workpiece.